Okay, so I'm out here today. I'm actually out here pretty early. It's a little after 11:30, and I'm usually not out here at all in the morning. So yeah, I have been working on my gas pedal. This is a moped handbrake, and it's nice and tense. And I had to make a little riser for it because of how long it is and the shape it is. It kind of goes down. Because that, it was making it so that I couldn't, full throttle. It was only about half. And to get it on there, I copied what Jake did. I'll leave a little annote, like somewhere right here. And I copied his idea of using a 5/8 socket. I had a spare one, and I just bolted that on, and well, I had it inside the thing first, and then I bolted it on, and it works real nice. It's nice and tight, and yeah. So the linkage up front, I got this long ass spring which isn't tight enough, and I have this red one here which is very tight. And what I did was I bent this little, it's like a barrel type looking throttle thing, and I just bent it out a little bit so I get the brake cable through. And I have a pair of vice grips on there right now, just clamping it so that the brake cable doesn't slip. And let me see if I can't reach around here and push on it. Yeah. So I think it throttles up all the way. I'm not sure. Let me actually try that right now. I can't. And my choke cable is too short, so I just used the regular throttle cable and hooked it up. So now, let me hold this down here. There, it's full choke. No choke. So I'm gonna try to start it like that right now. So I will set the camera down over here instead of holding it like I did in my last video. Make sure it's neutral. Yep. So clutch in, choke up, key, run, throttle down, and go. Okay. No. Well, you all saw it run. So, yeah. One thing off my list is done. I don't know. I think something's wrong with my battery. But, actually, there's actually a pretty shitty connection right there, so that might be it. Oh. So, yeah, it works. It kicked over, and, I think I need to trim it a little bit shorter, like maybe right here, so I can push it down further, because it maxes out, and as you probably heard, it wasn't throttling all the way. So yeah, gotta get a clamp for that right there so I can have my vice grip back. And yeah, so I'll talk to everybody later. Peace.